The 2017 Mercedes-AMG E43. It's been only 2 months since the brand new E-Class made its official debut at the 2016 Detroit Auto Show, and Mercedes-Benz is already rolling out the first performance version of its midsize sedan. It's called the AMG E43 and it will slot under the upcoming and highly anticipated AMG E63. Set to make its global debut at the 2016 New York Auto Show, the souped-up sedan is the third new Mercedes-Benz to sport the 43 badge, joining the AMG C43 Coupe, also available as a convertible, and the smaller AMG SLC 43. Much like its stablemates, the AMG E43 sports a turbocharged V6 engine instead of the traditional V8 and bridges the gap between the range-topping model of the standard lineup and the bonkers AMG E63. While it might not be as hot as the upcoming E63, the E43 enables Mercedes access to a new niche and provides the perfect tool against the already popular S6. What's more, it gives AMG enthusiasts a more affordable proposition to the high-priced E63, as well as a more fuel-efficient performance sedan. But does it have what it takes to compete against the Audi S6 and BMW 550i? Find out in our review below. Continue reading to learn more about the 2017 Mercedes-AMG E43. Exterior. Designed to slot above the standard E-Class and below the AMG E63, the E43 is somewhat recognizable as a member of the AMG family, but it's rather discreet compared to the V8 version. Features that set it apart from the regular sedan up front include the 3 large openings in the bumper, the horizontal fins in the outer intakes, and the diamond grille. Unlike other AMGs, the E43 doesn't have specific badges on its front fenders. The side view is even more subdued, with only the high sheen, 19-inch, 5-spoke wheels painted in high-gloss black making a difference. Customers who want bigger rollers can opt for 20-inch wheels. Unlike other AMGs, the E43 doesn't have specific badges on its front fenders. Around back, the sedan has the usual chrome-plated quad-flow exhaust tailpipes, a silver chrome diffuser, and a body-colored spoiler lip on the trunk lid. All told, the Mercedes-AMG E43 seems perfect for drivers who want a potent midsize sedan without the flashy exterior that comes with a performance car. Interior. Interior additions make the E43 sportier than the standard E-Class, but not as aggressive as the upcoming E63. The standard seats have been replaced with sportier units with improved lateral support, while the upholstery, either standard MB Tex, Dinamica or optional Nappa leather, features a distinctive layout and red top stitching. To match the seat design, sections of the door panels and dashboard sport the same finish with red stitching. The package also includes bespoke pedals, black roof lining, and red seat belts. The sportiness of the E43 is also enhanced by the flat-bottom steering wheel in black Nappa leather with red stitching and a more dynamic instrument cluster display for the optional 12.3-inch screen. Just like the E-Class, the E43 gets 2 analog dials and a 7-inch screen as standard. Drivetrain. Unlike the upcoming AMG E63, which will use a biturbo 4.0-liter V8, the E43 gets its juice from a 3.0-liter V6 rated at 396 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. The twin-turbo unit is similar to the one in the Mercedes-AMG C43, but has bigger turbos and revised software for an extra 34 horses, more than useful given the larger body. Charging from 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in 4.5 seconds, while top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour as usual. The power routes to the wheels through a 9-speed automatic and a rear-biased, all-wheel drive system. Charging from 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in 4.5 seconds, while top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour as usual. Compared to the 241 horsepower E300, the E43 is 1.8 seconds quicker. The 9G-tronic transmission has 4 modes. Eco, as the most fuel-efficient features, Comfort for smooth ride and shifting, and Sport Plus with the double declutching function for a more emotional driving experience. There's also a manual mode that can be selected using a separate button in the center console. This enables the driver to change gears using the paddles on the steering wheel. Drivetrain specifications. Suspension and brakes. The E43 rides on the AMG-built Airmatic Adaptive Sport suspension, providing more agility, more neutral cornering behavior, and high traction. The adaptive damping system offers a choice of 3 modes: Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, enabling drivers to opt between a high level of comfort for longer journeys and sporty driving dynamics. The 4-link front axle is equipped with special steering knuckles and load-bearing joints optimized for the E43. A more negative camber on the front axle and on the multi-link rear axle enhances lateral dynamics. Stopping power comes from a large braking system with ventilated compound brake discs. Safety. The AMG E43 comes with the same safety features offered on the E300, including Drive Pilot. This feature enables the sedan to follow the car in front at speeds of up to 130 miles per hour and uses automatic braking, accelerating, and the steering pilot to handle moderate bends. A speed limit pilot function can automatically adjust the car's speed according to on-the-road speed limits detected by a camera. Other driver assistance systems include active brake assist, attention assist, and remote parking pilot. The latter allows the vehicle to be moved into and out of garages and parking spaces remotely using a smartphone app. Finally, there's Car2X, a mobile phone-supported exchange of information with other vehicles on the road. First introduced on the standard E-Class, it allows the driver to see around corners or through obstacles well in advance by receiving an earlier warning in the event of imminent danger, such as a broken-down vehicle at the edge of the road, heavy rain, or black ice on the road ahead. Prices. Pricing is not yet available, but more should be revealed when the sedan debuts at the 2016 New York Auto Show. The E43 will arrive in U.S. showrooms in early 2017. Competition. Audi S6. Subjected to a minor facelift for the 2016 model year, the S6 carries over unchanged save for new headlamps and taillights, revised bumpers, new interior color options, and carbon fiber inserts. Power comes from the same turbocharged, 4.0-liter V8 in the previous model, but output has been bumped up to 450 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. But, despite having 54 horses and 22 pound-feet over the E43, the S6 is only a tenth-second quicker, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 ticks. Top speed is obviously limited at 155 miles per hour. Unlike the AMG E43, the S6 is also available as a wagon, but the Avant version isn't offered in the United States. The German sedan retails from $70,900, most likely more than Mercedes will ask for the AMG E43. Read more about the Audi S6 here. BMW 550i. Although it doesn't get a special performance badge like the S6 and the E43, the range-topping version of the non-M5 series has everything it needs to give its competitors a run for their money. The exterior is sporty enough even without an M kit, while the interior has plenty of premium features despite being a bit dated compared to the Mercs. As the name suggests, the 550i comes with BMW's twin-turbo, 4.4-liter V8 under the hood. It sends 445 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque to the wheels and enables the big sedan to hit 60 miles per hour in only 4.3 seconds with the automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Pricing starts from $66,300, with all-wheel drive adding an extra $2,300. Find out more about the BMW 550i here. Conclusion. The E43 is a nice way to bridge the gap between the range-topping E-Class and the full-fledged AMG E63. It may lack the latter's V8 engine, but the new V6 is nothing to sneeze at. Despite being less powerful than its Audi and BMW competitors, the E43 is only a tad slower, mostly due to the fact that it is significantly lighter and uses a more modern chassis. In many ways, the E43 is Mercedes' answer to the S6, but this souped-up E-Class comes in a more attractive package with a stunning interior, fresh exterior, and an engine that's likely more efficient too. All it needs is a juicy price and Mercedes will have a winner on its hands. Love its sporty yet not too flashy powerful V6 makes it as quick as its V8 rivals. State-of-the-art technology inside the best-looking interior in its class. Leave it could dilute the AMG name.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.